Imagine hitting the open road with the freedom to explore, unwind, and adventure on your terms, all without breaking the bank. If you've ever dreamed of owning a camper van but thought it was out of reach, think again. Today, we're diving into the world of compact and affordable conversions with the Dacia Dokker camper van. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to transform this practical vehicle into the ultimate budget-friendly home on wheels for 2025. The Dacia Dokker is already known for its versatility and reliability, making it a fantastic base for a camper van conversion. Its compact size is perfect for city driving while offering enough space to create a comfortable living area for your weekend getaways or even extended trips. The best part? This conversion doesn't require a huge budget or advanced skills. Let's start with the layout. The key to any camper conversion is making the most of the available space. In the Dacia Dokker, a clever design begins with a multifunctional sleeping and storage setup. By building a foldable bed frame that doubles as a seating area during the day, you can save space and keep the interior versatile. Use lightweight plywood to construct the frame, ensuring it's durable but easy to handle. Beneath the bed, create storage compartments for essentials like camping gear, clothing, and kitchen supplies. Speaking of kitchen supplies, a compact kitchen setup is a must. A simple pull-out unit with a portable gas stove and a small sink can be installed in the rear section of the van. For water, a 10-liter portable water tank with a pump works perfectly, and it's easy to refill on the go. Don't forget to add a small cooler or fridge to keep your food fresh. There are plenty of energy-efficient options available that won't drain your battery. Now, let's talk about power. A basic off-grid electrical system will keep your devices charged and your lights on during those cozy nights inside the van. A 100-watt solar panel mounted on the roof, paired with a leisure battery, is an excellent starting point. Add a small inverter if you need to power larger devices, and you're good to go. For insulation, you'll want to keep things comfortable no matter the weather. Use lightweight insulation materials like foam boards or reflective insulation to line the walls and floor. Pair this with a vinyl or carpeted floor covering to keep things warm and add a touch of style. Curtains or window covers will not only give you privacy but also help regulate the temperature inside. Finally, personalization is what makes a camper van truly feel like home. Whether it's LED strip lighting, cozy cushions, or a foldable table for meals and work, small touches can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to get creative with the design. This is your space, after all. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to converting a Dacia Dokker into a camper van that's ready to take you wherever the road leads. It's practical, affordable, and completely customizable. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow adventurers, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content on camper conversions and road trips. Have questions or ideas for your own build? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Happy travels!